everyone, this is Sujata from Bliss Vibes Learning English. Today I am going to recommend you some beneficial points to develop your listening skill. To learn English well and speak fluently, we need to improve 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. Listening of the 4 skill is the most important skill in language acquisition. Sound, stress, rhythm of a new language can only be picked up through listening. At our early age, we learn our first language by listening to our parents, neighbors and interacting with them. Even grown-up people, those who are unable to read and write, they can also learn English just through listening to the people around them. Therefore, today we are going to focus on 5 different techniques to improve our listening skills. To know the techniques, please stay with us. First of all, practice active listening. Most of the time we listen to the music, news, sports commentary, dialogues, audiobooks without understanding or with poor understanding. This is one-way communication and passive listening. To learn English easily and quickly, we need to practice listening actively. Whatever you are listening, try to repeat after every sentence or every word. Follow the speaker's accent, pronunciation, intonation. Try to understand the meaning of a new word by looking at what comes before and after the words. Find an English speaking partner. Apply your knowledge of English by talking to the people who already know the language well. Here, you need to listen to them attentively to understand and interact with them. Being an active listener, asking questions, seeking clarification will strengthen our closeness as well as will improve our speaking ability. Read while you listen. At the very beginning of our English learning journey, we follow the subtitles of any movie or favorite TV show. You can utilize those videos with subtitles to develop your level of English by listening and reading together. Listen one sentence, pause the video and repeat after the speaker. You do it continuously. This technique will help you to learn the natural sound of the language. Listen while you do other work. Select any of your interesting topic, use your earplug and listen to it while you are cooking, resting, exercising or just lying on the bed before you sleep. During that time, you may not listen actively, but you will be used to with the natural sound and rhythm of the language that will help you later. Besides, this practice may encourage you as you don't need to invest further time. Select any of these 5 techniques, practice for some days, check your progress. After that, you can replace the techniques with another one. Thank you for watching. Stay with us and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.